Hello YouTubians, it's Delray PM. Today I'm going to be talking about platinum, I guess you would call it the forgotten precious metal. It's really taken a beating over the last couple of years in the markets. It used to be, gosh, $1,300 an ounce maybe, and now it's hovering under 900. So to me, it's a really good time to buy platinum because it is a precious metal. It's got a lot of fantastic attributes, so I want to talk about today. First off, the element is PT, so if you are looking at jewelry, you'll see a stamp PT, probably 99 or something on there. If you're Albert Einstein, you'd probably know that the atomic number is 78. It's dense. It is somewhat malleable. I mean, Wikipedia is saying it's malleable, but nothing compared to gold and silver. And the name came from plato, which is platino, which is Spanish for little silver. It's in the same group of elements as not plutonium, as palladium. And why is it important? Well, it's very resistant to corrosion, and it also has a melting temperature about twice the temperature of silver or gold. So it is considered a noble metal, and it is a metal that is used for a lot of different commercial aspects. Use them for catalytic converters to purify and convert the carbon dioxide. It's used for a lot of things, like for other medical devices, for working with cancer patients, and it's used in dentistry as well, as you probably know from watching my other videos. Moving on, it also is a very rare metal. It's much more rare than gold. So it's 0.005 parts per million in the Earth's crust, which is pretty much nothing. It founds in secondary deposits with when people are searching for things like iron, and I think you can find it with nickel as well. There's still alluvian finds in Russia and in modern day Costa Rica, I believe. So if you look at the trend of the price, it was really high just a few years ago, as high as $1,700 an ounce. So it's a metal that has had a high value for a long time, and now it's, gosh, hovering down at, well, I'll go and tell you where it is, but it's under 900. So what does Kitco have to say about it? Well, hard to read for you there, sorry, but Kitco can always give you the best prices and up-to-date prices for silver and gold, and platinum and palladium and rhodium for people like Salvate Metal who like rhodium. Now, platinum is not used so much here in the Middle East to make white gold. They use rhodium instead, which I don't know why. I mean, rhodium's hovering at over $1,800 an ounce right now, and platinum, it's $1,000 less. So I mean, if I am if I'm a jeweler, I think I'm going to be using platinum instead. I'm not really sure why they're not, and I think it's something that should be explored. But the reason for this video is to talk about using platinum as a hedge against inflation. I stack silver and gold. I don't have any platinum. I really wish I did. But I'm thinking now is the time to buy platinum. There's a lot of rounds and even US platinum eagles that you can buy in the market. There's a lot of mints worldwide that make platinum. The royal mints out there, they can find a lot of Australian rounds that are actually government issued, that are platinum currency. You know, I think they're like the $100 US Australian coin that they have. I can't pull it up and talk right now, but you guys can keep me honest and tell me what it is. So what I would recommend you do is take a look, like I am right now, at Kitco, and take a look at the trends of platinum. Make your own decision. And if you're thinking about buying a little bit of gold right now, which I think is always a good idea, maybe invest in a platinum round or a platinum government issued coin from the US Mint or the Australian Mint or the Perth Mint, not the Perth Mint, but the Royal Mint, or one of the other government issuing mints out there instead of gold. I would think that it might be something to adequately hedge you against inflation, just like gold. And I think it's a better deal right now at a couple $100 lower than gold, which, gosh, it was always hovering a couple $100 higher than gold for most of the last 10 years. So to me, it's a real buying signal. So I would really suggest you take a long, hard look at platinum like I am right now. So I would like to ask all of you to like and subscribe to my videos. And I am going to be having another coin giveaway soon, along with Thiago da Silva Numismatics. It won't be a platinum coin though, sorry. I wish I could afford to do that. But the rules are going to be, once Miss Tiger Sacris and Thiago da Silva both hit 500, we'll give away the coin.